Hey guys and girls, in this video we are gonna take a look at top 5 best wireless headsets for landline phone. Everyone wants to chuck out the cables and make calls without any restrictions, but not many keep up with wireless headsets. These best wireless headsets for landline phones will make you cut the cord and continue your conversation hassle-free. Selecting the right one is not easy. In this section, we will be discussing the top 5 best wireless headsets for landline phone. Number 1. Sennheiser 504345 wireless headsets for landline phone. Sennheiser 504345, one of the best wireless headsets for landline phone. The Office Runner is versatile in that you can wear it in 2 different ways, on the ear and over the ear. This headset is compatible with 98% of corded Office phones. In addition, this is our only wireless headset with a 3-year warranty. It also works with popular VoIP services such as Skype and Google Voice, and you can even listen to music while on the phone. Number 2. Jabra Engage 75 wireless headsets for landline phone. Jabra Engage 75 up headset to 13 hours of talk time with a single charge. This is one of the industry-leading headsets for landline phones with wireless connectivity up to the range of 490 feet. The connection allowed up to 5 devices, phone, soft phone. Even when you are away from the landline phone, the sound quality remains perfect. For those who want astounding performance from their landline phone when making or receiving calls. Number 3. Plantronics CS520 wireless headsets for landline phone. The Poly CS520 is designed to withstand the harshest environments. This is a great headset for landline phones because it is comfortable, sturdy, and not too bulky. Its noise-canceling microphone reduces background noise significantly. This gives it a 1-2 punch of comfort and quality that competitors cannot match. For landline phone users, the retractable noise-canceling receiver and HD audio provide the most effective form of communication. Number 4. Poly CS510 wireless headsets for landline phone. Plantronics has something brilliant to offer from its wide range of products. Plantronics CS510 is one of the superior wireless headsets that produce high-definition audio quality. One-touch button system for volume control and taking calls. You can take calls from 350 feet away from where the landline phone is placed. The headset comes with the one-touch answer, volume controls, hang-up, or mute call management buttons. Number 5. Plantronics CS530 wireless headsets for landline phone. Plantronics CS530 headset, 6 hours of maximum wireless battery life. The lightweight Plantronics CS530 office wireless headset with a custom fit provides crystal clear audio. A noise-canceling microphone that reduces background checks. Highly advanced DECT wireless security, and single-ear flexible headband for all-day comfort. This wireless headset is designed for daily use, while the technology itself incorporates some of the most recent headset features,